What is up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing awesome. I am out on my Yamaha C3 2007 scooter. Now, I got this scooter at 600 miles and I'm currently at 2,627 miles. This thing starts up every time, have had zero problems, zero leaks. It's an absolute joy to ride. It's been my constant companion, and I wish I had about 5 of these things. But anyway, I'm heading back home, and I have been taking different roads on this scooter that I have never taken before, just exploring town and finding new shortcuts. And I found this road the other day, so I thought you guys could tag along with me here. It's a really fun scooter road, so we're gonna ride it together, if the light will ever turn green. And you know, I've lived in Knoxville forever, and this is the first time I think I enjoy Knoxville on the scooter. It's just a great scooter town. So let's do this. So the name of this road, Sanderson Road. And I never had a clue that this road was even here and where it led to, but let's do it. Uphill from hell. Let's see, let's see if we can stay above 25. Oh. Nope. Let's say if we stay above 20. Yeah, we did it. Woo! This fucking Jeep going slow as shit. No matter what city you live in, you always get behind a Jeep. You might as well fucking get ready to go slow. Always creeping a Jeep. Creeping in a Jeep. So here's the Pepsi Mountain Dew. I know some of you are Mountain Dew Pepsi lovers out there. So yeah, this comes into Middlebrook Pike, which is one of the main roads that stretch all the way from east to west. And once you get on this road, you can cruise just about anywhere, but you can turn off and on of it. So anyway, guys, well, actually, you know what? Let's keep it rolling. I'm going to be right next to where I was doing my early speed tests. So let's see what kind of speed that I can get on the same track now that I've gone. So let's see, I was about, let's call it 1,000 miles when I first settled on the 4.25 Dr. Pulley slider weights. Oh my God. People driving slow as fuck today. So I've got the slider weights have been in. I haven't messed with anything since I changed out my variator and the weights. And I probably should check the air of the tires. There's 47. Green lights just make the world a better place on a scooter. So one thing about a scooter, now let's talk about scooter life real quick. Rule number 1, leave your helmet on the scooter if you can, because when you carry the scooter into a place, you'll be standing in line at the bank or anywhere to pay a bill, and if you have a full face motorcycle helmet, someone's going to ask you, hey man, what bike you ride? And then you're gonna have to go, well, I'm on the little scooter outside. So it's kind of like, nah. In all seriousness though, it's kind of funny. And one thing that's cool about the scooter is, from what I can tell, all the motorcyclists, scooterists, and just about everyone else will wave, and so you're part of the two-wheel club. Everybody gives you the wave. Hey, let me see my hand here. You got to do the down low. You go? So I'm learning the down point, the what's up. And yeah, everybody loves the scooter. They want to come up and talk to me about it. I didn't realize how many older people had scooters and love scooters. And also how many young people are fascinated by them. So this has been a great purchase. It's been good for me financially. Save a ton on gas. I've met a lot of cool people, and it's been a great companion. And it's been reliable as shit. And the amount of stuff you can, like, I'll go to a thrift store, I can get like 2 jackets, 3 pair of pants, 2 hats, and like 5 shirts. It's unbelievable how much shit you can stuff in this thing. And I'm looking for a back rack right now, which is just going to make it to that ultimate level. But the Yamaha C3, I wish that they made these today, and I would just try to be a dealer. I would just try to fucking sell these things because I really believe in them. But yeah. Anyway, guys, a little bit too much traffic, so I'm going to call it now. So thanks for tagging along. Hope everybody's doing awesome. Stay tuned because I'm going to be taking the panels off, showing step by step. We're going to do the air filter, the real shock, the rear transmission oil, and a couple of other things. So stick around. Peace out.